Stop scrolling. You forgot to burp your baby. Babies swallow air every time they feed. Hold your baby upright over your shoulder, support the head, and gently pat or rub upward on their back. Sit them on your lap and lean them slightly forward. Do this right and avoid gas pain and spit up. For the full step-by-step guide and common mistakes parents make, watch the full video on Tinny Humans 101.